See ya. Room key? Yeah, morning wine tasting. Yes, please. Yoga? No, thanks. Ooh. Got fancy carpet. Problem with fancy carpet is it makes it really hard to push your back. Oh, I'll do a room tour.
Go on then.
Yep. Door has been gotten.
Oh. Is it a single bed? Yep.
It's not meant to be.
No.
Interesting. Well, we'll do the room tour. Shower with the door. Nice shower head. Mirrors. Bathtub.
We've got an issue already. We've got an issue. We've only got one bed.
Really?
What do you mean?
Exactly that.
They get a double bed, which is what we're meant to get. The lounge. TV. Obviously, I've just snuck through between the two rooms. Very good. A desk. Drawers. Well, they don't. Well, the top drawer doesn't open, but that's okay. No one uses it. Got USB power points. We got a view back to Disney. Yep. I'm not sure if camera's going to pick it up, but right in the background, there's the Disney Ferris wheel. Ooh, Guardians of the Galaxy ride. I'm going to say the back of that is the Cars ride. So we should get to see fireworks at night. Yeah, okay. Well, 2 double beds. And the best thing is all, this is not my room, so we'll do the bed test. So, yeah, a bit firmer than the last hotel's bed, but I reckon that's okay. Pillow test. Pillow's okay. Yeah. What's this? Ooh. Hey, you know what would have been good? Is if you guys actually got dressing gowns. That would have been great, but you didn't get any. What's their bathroom like? Yeah, it's nice. Same sort of layout. Coffee pot machine, same as the last hotel. It's pretty good. Heats it up. Gets boiling hot though. Cupboard. Minibar fridge. Nice. Ice bucket. Some more light switches. Ooh. There's a spare power point back there as well. So we're moving rooms already. 707. Okay. What do we get in this room?
Bed.
That's, oh, 2 queen beds, TV. What's our view like? Pretty much the same, but the view's going to be good tonight when we get the fireworks at Disney. In the shower, you can turn it on without having to get into the water as well. That was one thing. The other hotel that we were at had a hole in the glass, so you could turn it on, whereas this one doesn't. So when you open your robe, you think that, it's all good, but guess what? It's also got a light. So the top drawer is actually just a slide down cupboard. You got to pull it really hard to give you your own private little safe. It's actually bolted in really well compared to some places I've been to. And then the other thing that's really good is the alarm clock is actually also a phone charger. And our own little neat hack is you bring your travel plug with an adapter for some power points if you want more. It does come with the room quite a few USB ports to charge your devices. Only thing I'd pick on is the way the plug's facing is that yeah, you can see it actually is covering the USB ports, and it doesn't matter which side you go, you got to rotate it, so you're losing USB ports, but that's okay. Because lots of hotels that you stay at have escalators. The Marriott does. Well, it's the JW Marriott. Oh, more escalators. We're being spoiled.
Never saw an escalator.
So we decided to record this on the 4th day of staying, and they do change the breakfast in your buffet every day, but they do have table service for coffee and juice, so that means they still expect the tip on your buffet breakfast, but you can get your waffles made or your own scrambled eggs or omelettes, and I make left side of the toast is still broken.
Going late then.
Complimentary earphones for use on the gym equipment. It's pretty good. Filtered water, hand towels. Oh, well, let's recycle it, mate. Recycle it.
Oh, it's
Oh, well done, JW Marriott. Recycling trash is just one bin. Oh, looks good. Has a bar that opens up, so you can sit at the bar and have a drink. Got gas fireplaces. Also has little like gazebos that you can reserve, but you got to pay a fee to use them. But they are nice. Get your own TV, pool area. The pool's going to get the morning sun. It's not going to get the afternoon sun, which I think it's wrong. It's on the wrong side of the building. In the afternoon, it's very shaded compared to the morning time. Rooftop bar. Not really keen to go to the rooftop bar on my own, but let's go. Rooftop bar's on the 11th floor. Hi.
Do you have reservations with us?
It's about 9:30. They have the fireworks.
Definitely.
Same lady serviced drinks as the other night. Oh, I guess I'll leave everyone her own in their bar area. So you can come up to the rooftop bar if you like. It's warm. So we'll be back tonight for the fireworks, and we'll come and have a look then. We'll see you then. They even have a sundries shop, a little store where you can buy some stuff. When you get here, if you come into the reception foyer, you need to turn around and come up the escalators to level 1. When you get to level 1 is when you can check in or book in to your hotel room. It's not on ground level, it's on level 1. It's the first hotel that we've been to that's the case. It's not a bad thing. I guess it gets the people moving through. You come upstairs and you get your bar area, and then you get your reception where you check on in. For breakfast is where you can come to the place behind me, but you also can come here for Italian at night time for tea. We've been here now for about a week, and so my little bit of a review, if you want to call it that, isn't just a one day I came in, pretended I stayed here. We've been here for a week. There's good and bad things about the hotel, but mostly good. So the outdoor area is quite nice. In the evenings it does get cold here. It's cold in the morning, but I'm sure it does warm up during the day. There's lots of different things around this place that you can go up to, and if you have your phone with you, you can scan the QR code, and then this all comes to life on your phone. Is the best way to put it. I'm not going to do it. You can do it yourself when you come here, if you come here. At night time they set up little mini bars out here and serve drinks. I guess it's more of a function thing. They have their own little gardens here that they heavily maintain. Supposedly they're herbs.